Hello everyone, today we will be studying about the topic called as cell division. The definition is, it is a process by which a parental cell divides into two daughter cells. To study about the cell division, it is just like a cyclic form, and that cyclic form is called as cell cycle. So under cell cycle, we have two phases, that is interphase and M phase. So under interphase, we have three types or a phase, that is G1 phase, S phase and G2 phase. So under these phases, what happens is, in G1 phase, the proteins and enzymes required for the next phase, for the process of division or the process of producing the DNA, it produces the proteins and enzymes required for the DNA synthesis. Coming to the S phase, here the replication and duplication of DNA occurs. And coming to the G2 phase, here the RNA proteins and energy required for the next phase is being synthesized. Coming to the M phase, that is the second phase of cell cycle, that is, it is also called as mitotic division. Under this, we have four types. Before that, the mitotic division is nothing but the division of genes and DNA are identical to the mother cells. Whatever the DNA or the genes which is being produced to the daughter cell, they are identical to the mother cells. Here we have four different types, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. All these stages we will be studying in detail. Now we will study in detail about the interphase. Here in interphase, it is most active stage, and the chromosomes are thread-like structure. You can see the chromosomes, they are thread-like structures, and it undergoes duplication. The chromosome undergoes duplication, and the chromosome is in the form of a pair of chromatids. At the end of the stage, the chromosomes, they form a pair-like structures or a chromatid stage, and here the nuclear membrane and the nucleus is prominent in this stage. Now we will know about the prophase. Under prophase, it is the longest stage of division, and the chromosomes, they become thick and short. In the interphase, we have seen that chromosomes are thread-like structure, but coming to the prophase, the chromosomes become thick and short. The nucleus and nuclear membrane, they disappear. They start to disappear. They were prominent in interphase, but in prophase, they start to disappear. And centrioles move to the opposite poles. These are the centrioles. They move towards the opposite poles, and the aster rays radiates from the centrioles. The aster rays, they starts to radiate from the centrioles. So these are the process which undergoes in prophase. Now we will see what happens in metaphase. Okay, now we will study about metaphase. Under this phase, the spindle fibers are formed. They are formed by the centrioles. The spindle fibers are attached to the chromosomes, and the chromosomes lies at the center, attached to the spindle fibers to the centriosome. So all the chromosomes are arranged in the center, and they are attached to the spindle fibers. And nuclear membrane and nucleus are absent. In the previous stage, that is in prophase, we have seen the nuclear membrane and nucleus, they are disappearing. Here they are completely absent. Now we will see what happens in anaphase. It is a rapid stage, and the centromere of each chromosomes, they split into two and are pulled towards the opposite side. In the previous stage, we have seen the centromere are arranged in the center, but here these centromere, they split into two and they move to the opposite poles with the help of the spindle fibers, and the spindle fibers, they start to shrink for the next stage. Now we will see the last stage of the M phase, that is the telophase. Under this, the chromosomes reach to the opposite poles, and they uncoil, they lengthen, they form a thread-like structure and form the chromatid networks, and they just be like the interphase only, and the spindle fibers completely, they disappear, and here the nuclear membrane and nucleus, they reappear, and cytokinesis occur. Here the karyokinesis is finished, they are done, that is the division of nucleus, and now the cytokinesis occur, that is nothing but the division of cytoplasm. This cytoplasm, they divide and form two daughter cells. This is the process of mitosis.